Hi students, today I would like to introduce paper 6 of 5th semester, Crime and Punishment. It was a famous novel by F.M. Dostoevsky. He was a Russian novelist, philosopher, short story writer, essayist and journalist. See, Dostoevsky's literary works explore human psychology in the troubled political, social, and spiritual atmosphere of 19th century Russia. So, his most acclaimed works include Crime and Punishment, The Idiot, Demons, The Brothers Karamazov. Dostoevsky body of works consists of 12 novels, 4 novellas, 16 short stories, and numerous other works. Many literary critics rate him as one of the greatest psychological novelists in world literature. That's what we see here. So coming to Crime and Punishment. See, uh, this is a story of a former student, Raskolnikov, lives in Saint Petersburg. He decides through contradictory theories, including utilitarian morality and the belief that extraordinary people have the right to transgress, to murder Alyona Ivanovna, an elderly pawnbroker, Alyona's half sister Elizaveta, when she arrives while murdering Alyona Ivanovna. He kills her half sister Elizaveta too. This is all done by Raskolnikov for money. See, he meets a alcoholic man, Marmeladov, whose daughter Sonia has been forced into prostitution to support the family. An old friend, Razu Mikin, also enters his life, concerned by his aberrant behavior. In addition, Raskolnikov's sister Dunya, who has left her job as a governess for Svidrigailov because of his improper advances toward her, arrives in St. Petersburg with her mother. Dunya intends to marry a man named Luzhin in order to improve their financial and social position. So, in the next slide, we can see Raskolnikov's struggle with his conscience. The narrative follows the twists and turns Raskolnikov's emotions and elaborates his struggle with his conscience and the tightening noose of suspicion. He is ill through most of the story, and he angrily rejects his family's and Razumikin's attempts to help him. When Marmelado is run over by a carriage and dies, Raskolnikov gives Sonia and the family money for his funeral. He forbids Dunya to marry the pompous Luzhin, who offended Dunya to the point that she breaks off the engagement. Raskolnikov repeatedly visits Sonia, but he behaves in such an un, unhinged manner that she is frightened. When it seems that Porfiry, who is investigating the murder, is on the point of charging Raskolnikov, another man confesses. At a memorial dinner for Marmeladov, Luzhin falsely accuses Sonia of stealing from him, and Raskolnikov explains why he would do such thing. Later, he tells Sonia that he murdered the two women. Svidrigailov overhears the confession and subsequently uses that knowledge to try to blackmail Dunya into accepting him. But when it becomes clear that she will never love him, he kills himself. Coming to conclusion, you see, at last Raskolnikov turns himself in and he is sentenced to 8 years of hard labor in Siberia. Sonia follows him to Siberia and visits him at every opportunity. Dunya marries Razumikhin, the friend of Raskolnikov. Raskolnikov does not repent for the murders and continues to emotionally shut out Sonia and the other prisoners. However, after an illness, he at last comes to the realization that happiness cannot be achieved by a reasoned plan of existence but must be earned by suffering. He then is able to accept and return Sonia's love. See, here is the story. We can see Crime and Punishment. The ex-student of Saint Petersburg, he involved in a murder of a pawnbroker, Alyona Ivanovna, for her money, and unexpectedly he also kills her uh, sister at that time, Luzihin, sister Elizaveta. So here uh, he wants to escape, but he fights with his conscience. So he meets an alcoholic man, Marmeladov, and he's drunkard, and he made a friendship with him, and his daughter uh, Sonia is a very good girl, and Raskolnikov falls in love with her, and after that uh, he 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 has to confess his murder of his murders of two women in presence of Sonia, and he goes to jail and he realizes his mistakes and he's crying, and after the punishment he uh, he takes the hand of Sonia, and there the story ends, the novel ends. So this is the uh, sixth paper of fifth semester, Crime and Punishment. It's of 20 marks. You find this, so you just read, and if you have any doubts you can post. Thank you.